everyone, welcome to the Petite World. If you are new to this channel, then hi, it's me Sueno. I have just started my business a week ago and it's doing pretty well. I'm getting lots of orders and I'm very happy about that. Please support my small business. My scrunchies are high quality material. I make silky scrunchies, extra large in size, as well as there is a new collection of Christmas in scrunchies. You can order them on Etsy. It is free shipping all over Australia. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how I make my extra large silky scrunchies. So these are my extra large silky scrunchies. This is white in color. I've got rose gold, beige color, and this is aqua blue. So I'm going to make one scrunchie, extra large scrunchies, and I will show you how I make them for my small business. In order to make a fluffy extra large scrunchie, we need a fabric. I like lots of material, and the scrunchie that I make are very high quality with lots of material. The width of my fabric is 5 inch and the length is 110 centimeter. And the second thing that we need is bodkin. I will show you later on how I use them. And we need scissors to cut the thread, to cut the elastic, to cut the fabric. But normally I have a fabric cutter, I use them. And this is the elastic. So the length of my elastic is 7 inch. And we need inch tape to measure everything, to measure fabric, to measure the elastic. And the final, that is the most important thing, that is the sewing machine. So this is my sewing machine, and with this sewing machine I make a scrunchie for my small business. And here is the thread. Now I will show you how I make a scrunchie for my small business. Turn your fabric on the opposite side, and from the end of the fabric just sew them. After sewing this part, just hold the fabric this way and just turn it in another side. After this, fold the fabric again. From the next side, fold the fabric, just roll them as much as you can. Just make it small as much as you can, because later on we don't want to sew those fabric. After this, cover those folded fabric with the remaining fabric like this, on this way. And you can see just from the middle point here where it is sewed up, just little bit from the top, start sewing them. So sew them on a way that I will sew in the video. Just keep on sewing. Silk fabric, they are so smooth, they keep sliding down. So just try to keep those folded fabric inside so that you won't sew them alongside. Just put those fabric inside and feel with another hand so that you won't sew them. And after that, just keep on sewing. Now just keep pulling those folded fabric that was inside. Just pull them slowly and gently. Slowly and gently. Again, put those folded fabric inside. Don't sew them. Just sew the outer part of the fabric and don't sew the fabric that are folded inside, and just keep on sewing them. Until you get the end, just pull them. So now I'm going to sew them just till here, so that I need a bit of hole, I need a bit of space to put the elastic in. So I'm going to leave the little bit of space and I'm going to sew all of the remaining area. At the beginning it might be quite difficult to understand, but once you learn it, it's very easy. And after leaving a little bit of space, just take out the needle and cut the thread. So this is the stitched fabric that I have done it before. Now what I'm going to do is now this is the little bit trickiest part. I'm going to use my bodkin and the elastic. I'm going to stitch my elastic on the bodkin. You can even use safety pin, but for me, I think with bodkin it's quite easier. Now, not in the hole that not in the space or the hole that I have left before, just in the big hole here you can see, I'm just going to put the bodkin in along with the elastic. Just hold the tip of the elastics, keep pushing, and you get the another side of the elastic. After this, just tie them together. I tie it 2 times so that it will be nice and tight, and it won't come out at all, because I find that when you sew the elastic or you put any glue or things to attach, it comes out. I don't want the elastic from my scrunchie to come out, so what I do is just tie them 2 times. I just tie them like this, 1 and 2, voila, and this is done. So after this, now what I'm gonna do is find that hole that we have left before. Here you can see I haven't sewed here before. In this area, what I'm going to do is now I'm going to put my finger on that hole and then take out the fabric, the folded fabric that was left before. So I'm going to take out those folded fabric like this and just keep on pulling. So after this, just keep on pulling like this from that hole. When you pull, when you keep on pulling, it comes along with the elastic, so it's quite tricky but easy when you learn it. After pulling all those fabric, you can see there is a nice floppy scrunchie with lots of material. So this is the scrunchie, but yet it is not finished. Now what I'm going to do is I will cut the excess thread that is hanging over here, and you can see a bit of hole on the side. Now I'm going to sew them. So just hold the area where it is not stitched and then just put it on the machine and stitch them. It's quite easy peasy. So this is my finished product. This is the scrunchie. I made these scrunchies in different color. I have put the link in the description box. I sell my scrunchies on Etsy. So there are different colors: aqua blue, dark blue, rose gold, beige, white, purple, dark blue, and I have plenty of other different colors. There are different colors, you can see them online. And recently, just yesterday, I have launched Christmas scrunchies, as Christmas is coming near. These are the Christmas scrunchies that I launched yesterday. They are very cheap in price. They are only $16 for 4 pieces. 4 pieces, only $16. They are made with lots of detailing. I have stitched with 2 different velvet fabrics, red green, and this is green and red, plus there is green velvet scrunchie and red velvet scrunchie. These scrunchies can be perfect for Christmas gift for your loved ones. So I hope you guys support my small business, and thank you for watching my video. If you want to open your own scrunchies business, and I hope this video can be helpful for you. If you want to know anything regarding small business, how I do shipping, how I sell my items and things like that, you can just comment down on my video. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please do support my small business. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.